Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly achieve their goals while others struggle to make progress? The answer lies in the power of atomic habits. Unlike massive overhauls or grandiose resolutions, atomic habits focus on small, incremental changes that compound over time. They are the building blocks of remarkable transformations. In this series, we'll explore the groundbreaking concepts presented by James Clear in his book, Atomic Habits. We'll delve into practical strategies, psychological insights, and real-life examples to help you understand and implement these principles in your own life. In this book, James Clear introduces the concept of the 4 laws of atomic habits, which serve as the guiding principles for building effective habits and breaking free from destructive ones. These laws include making habits obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. By understanding and applying these laws, we can create a solid foundation for personal growth and self-improvement. Throughout this Atomic Habit series, we'll explore each of these laws in detail, uncovering practical strategies and techniques to implement atomic habits into our daily routines. Whether you're looking to improve your health, relationships, career, or any other area of your life, Atomic Habits offers valuable insights and actionable steps to help you achieve your goals. So if you're ready to unlock the true potential of small habits, join me on this journey as we delve into the pages of Atomic Habits and discover how these atomic changes can lead to extraordinary results. Stay tuned for our next episode where we'll explore the 4 laws of atomic habits.